So this is your site. If your website will be free or premium, we can give access to the multiple users. How to give access to the multiple users? This is your site. First of all, we can give access to the multiple users. The option call is your dashboard. Option call is users. A user, when invite a new user, that only possible by your email address. The possible only for email address. When create any new user, that is called based on by your role. Means is a follower or admin or moderator, analyst, everything. But if they give WordPress only for 4, administrator, each and every access, editor, only for post updating, editing purpose, author, just check the traffic purpose, contributor, they do their kind of shares and everything, follower, just they follow your content. So we can give access always for updating your content and edit your content purpose, editor. They can't remove your user access. Admin, if you have the 5 admins are there, any one admin remove the remaining 4 admins. They remove by main admin also. Is it clear? So that is called when add your email, add your role, after click your message, click for send invitation. Once invitation sent, the email person when accepted, they access on your WordPress site. Is not accepted, they can't, as a admin or editor will be not accepted. Is that clear? So in your free or premium, same option. Go to WordPress dashboard, option call is user, add your email and your role, click for message, click for send message. When user accept, is a member of our WordPress site. For posting purpose, check the traffic purpose, check the shares purpose and following content purpose.